हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैप्टर बायोमोलिक्यूल्स। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग पॉलीसेकेराइड्स डिस्कस करेंगे डिटेल में। द टाइटल पॉलीसेकेराइड्स को अगर हम लोग स्प्लिट करें, बेटा पॉली मीन्स मेनी एंड सेकेराइड मीन्स शुगर। So let us start with the definition of polysaccharides. Polysaccharides, easy language, nothing but we are talking about carbohydrates बेटा, okay? अच्छा, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में पॉलीसेकेराइड्स आर लॉन्ग चेन्स ऑफ शुगर. In our starting lecture of this chapter, bacha, we have already spoken about an experiment of trichloroacetic acid. You can go back to the starting video and you can see. उसमें से we have learned that कि carbohydrates they are a part of acid insoluble fraction. And since their molecular weight is more, that is why they are a part of biomacromolecules. Okay. Now here what we have to remember is there is one carbohydrate called as cellulose, which is a homopolymer. Homopolymer. Homo means the same and polymer means long chain. So check this. This is a polymer, okay, and let's say this is another polymer. These are made up of same individual repetitive parts, and you can see here the individual parts are different. So we will say this is homopolymer and beta this is heteropolymer. So let's go with the example. Cellulose is an example of homopolymer. Moving on, next another variant of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate का और एक टाइप है जो जिसका नाम है बेटा स्टार्च. याद रखो, प्लांट्स store excess of carbohydrates, excess of glucose in the form of starch. And beta this starch is the energy source for the plants. Remember, starch extremely important in terms of plants. So they store excess of glucose. Whatever glucose is manufactured by the plants in the process of photosynthesis, that glucose gets accumulated, and it over a period of time excess of glucose keeps on getting added upon and it gets converted into starch. Okay, next, animals में excess of glucose is stored in liver in the form of glycogen, which is another important carbohydrate. So जैसे यहाँ पर starch important था, बेटा यहाँ पर glycogen is important. Okay, MCQ है, डायरेक्ट याद रखना. Next, there is this another carbohydrate called as inulin. Did you see that beta carefully? Inulin. And what is this? Insulin. इसको अक्सर लोग इंसुलिन पढ़ लेते हैं गलती से, तो स्पेलिंग ध्यान रखने का कि हम इंसुलिन की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम इन्यूलिन की बात कर रहे हैं. ऑप्शन में आएगा, ध्यान रखना. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. That means it is made up of repetitive unit of fructose. बहुत सारे fructose आपस में combine होके inulin बनाते हैं. Moving on, next. Starch also undergoes coiling so as to form secondary structure, and that coiling is called as secondary helix. स्टार्च में जो सेकेंडरी हेलिक्स होता है ना, इट कैन होल्ड आयोडीन. इट कैन होल्ड आयोडीन एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू, रिमेंबर, स्टार्च आयोडीन इज ब्लू इन कलर. So whenever starch and iodine react with each other, which color do we get? Blue color. Extremely important बेटा, ये पॉइंट को अच्छे से याद रखो. So usually कैसे होता है ना कि carbohydrates they are long chain. Okay, that is primary structure. But when this gets folded in the form of spring, it is called a secondary structure. And starch shows a secondary helical structure. And in that helix, it can hold iodine. उसके एक एक स्पाइरल में वो आयोडीन को पकड़ के रख सकता है. और स्टार्च और आयोडीन का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होता है ना, दैट गिव्स राइज टू ब्लू कलर. Another important MCQ that you have to remember is cellulose do not have complex helical structure, so they cannot hold iodine. And that is why when cellulose reacts with iodine, there is no color change. Remember, starch iodine blue in color, cellulose no reaction with iodine. Extremely important beta. Next. Plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. MCQ याद रखना बेटा. और तो और paper, okay, which is made from plant pulp and cotton fiber are also cellulosic. यानी उसमें भी सेल्यूलोज नाम का कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है बेटा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, अदर देन दीज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड सो फार, ओके, देयर आर सम कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. Complex carbohydrates undergoes combination with other compounds. Common example of complex carbohydrate is amino sugar. So it combines with amino acids. Example, you see the name beta, जैसे glucosamine. Another example, N-acetyl galactosamine. So these are examples of complex carbohydrate. You can see amine and glucose. That means carbohydrates coming together with amino group. That is why they are also called as amino sugar. Okay? इतना याद रखो अच्छे से. अब इसमें बेटा एक extra point that we have to remember is in the phylum Arthropoda, it has been seen that their exoskeleton, यानी इनके बॉडी का जो कवच होता है ना, exoskeleton, it is made up of a special type of carbohydrate called as chitin. और chitin का chemical name is 1,4 N-acetyl D-glucose 4-amine. And this chitin itself is a homopolymer. That means it is made up of same individual repetitive molecules. MCQ, chitin is a homopolymer. ये याद रखना बच्चों. ओके, अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन. एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक में कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का एक ब्रांचिंग पैटर्न का डायग्राम दिया है. अब इसमें से लेट्स से सपोज ये जो लाइन है ना, लाइन इज मेड अप ऑफ पॉइंट्स. लेट्स से फर्स्ट पॉइंट, लेट्स से सेकंड पॉइंट. सो इतने से टुकड़े को, ये पूरा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है. ओके, which are chain of sugar molecule. They are made up of many sugar molecules. First sugar molecule, second sugar molecule. इसको अगर हम लोग zoom करके देखें बेटा, तो ये ऐसा दिखेगा. ओके, this line is made up of point. Let's say first point, second point. Okay, right? So this point is nothing but it is a hexose sugar. This point is nothing but a hexose sugar which are connected together, and they are connected by glycosidic linkage. We are going to talk about it in a while. Similarly बेटा, ये जो branching part है, okay, so यहाँ पर let's say first point, this is this sugar, second point this sugar, third point this sugar. Now the branching coming up, fourth point this sugar, fifth point here will be this sugar. So you got to imagine this beta. Okay, so when you see this structure, remember that this structure represents the structure of carbohydrates. Moving on, last, nature of bonds which are linking monomer in a polymer. अब bonds के terms में we will study proteins first and then we will come back to carbohydrates. Now in proteins के lectures में what we have discussed is proteins are nothing but they are chain of amino acids. Now let us say suppose for example this is amino acid number 1 and beta let us say this is amino acid number 2. Amino acid has got carboxylic acid group on this side, COOH, and amino group on this side, that is NH2 group on this side. Similarly, this amino acid will have carboxylic acid group on this side and it will have amino group NH2 group on this side beta. That is why every amino acid, as we have discussed in our previous lectures also, okay, the left hand side is N terminal and the right hand side is C terminal. So N terminal and C terminal. Now what happens is when two amino acids come close to each other, okay, condensation of water molecule takes place. You can see H2O. So water molecule comes out. So now what we are left over with is, I have amino acid number 1, that is this, C double bond O as it is, and amino acid number 2 with NH as it is. Water molecule comes out beta, and a new bond develops between these two. This linkage is called as peptide linkage, which you got to remember. Peptide linkage is nothing but it is CONH linkage, which is responsible for connecting amino acids. So in a very simple diagram, let's say suppose for example, this is amino acid number 1, amino acid number 2, amino acid number 3, and chain of amino acid is nothing but protein. So two amino acids are connected by which linkage? Peptide linkage, and this linkage is CONH linkage. You have to remember this better. Okay, so this is also peptide linkage. Similarly, if we are going to talk about carbohydrates, that is polysaccharides, compare it with protein. Proteins are chain of amino acids, carbohydrates are long chain of sugar. Okay, so let us say suppose for example beta, this is first sugar, okay, and this is second sugar. So let's write H2 and S1. Now in carbohydrates what we have to remember is the right end, the right side is always the reducing end, and the left side is always the non-reducing end. ये बेटा याद रखना, right is always reducing. So कोई भी carbohydrate का chain रहेगा ना, okay, in that long chain the left side is non-reducing end and the right side is always reducing end. Now this sugar, when it combines with this sugar, okay, in carbohydrates also when two sugar molecules combine with each other, dehydration takes place. Dehydration means removal of water. ऐसा ही बेटा हमने प्रोटीन में देखा ना, ओके, प्रोटीन में क्या हो रहा था, दिस वाटर मॉलिक्यूल वाज कमिंग आउट, सो प्रोटीन में भी देयर वाज डिहाइड्रेशन. ओके, अच्छा, नाउ व्हेन water molecule comes out, so that now what I have is sugar number 1 gets connected to sugar number 2 with the help of bond. And what is this bond called as? This bond is called as glycosidic bond. Okay, so glycosidic bond is connecting two sugar, peptide linkage is connecting two amino acids. Very important from MCQ point of view. That is by chemistry point of view, whenever you observe a disaccharide, see this is called as disaccharide because it is consisting of two sugar molecules. Disaccharides में if you see the formula, C12H22O11. Let us say suppose for example this is sucrose beta, and sucrose is made up of glucose and fructose put together. ग्लूकोज का फॉर्मूला क्या है? C6H12O6. फ्रक्टोज इज आल्सो C6H12O6. अब दिमाग लगाना, C6H12O6 combining with C6H12O6, so 6 and 6 will be 12. अच्छा, हाइड्रोजन 12 and 12 should be 24, बट हमने यहाँ कितना लिखा है? 22. क्यों? क्योंकि वाटर मॉलिक्यूल भी निकला ना, so दो हाइड्रोजन उधर चले गए बेटा. अच्छा, ऑक्सीजन 6 और 6 12 आना चाहिए, पर 11 क्योंकि एक ऑक्सीजन इधर गया ना. That is how you have to remember dehydration takes place, and that is why disaccharides में monosaccharides के comparison में formula double नहीं होगा, water molecule कम होता है because dehydration takes place. Well बच्चों, you take screenshot of this, इसका photo ले लो आप लोग. Clear? Okay, so that's all about the polysaccharides, that is carbohydrates, which are also called as sugar. Some of them are sweet to taste, some of them are not sweet to taste. But I hope biology is always sweet to taste. Okay. So continue to add love to this fantastic subject biology. Read bio, bleed bio, yo-yo bio. Thank you, bachcho.